welcome to Specky Shack. We're all about giving the legendary Sinclair ZX Spectrum computer a second shot at glory. We hunt them down, lovingly restore them, and give them a modern tune-up, ready to power on for years to come. These rubber-keyed beauties are packed with nostalgia and ready to bring back all those pixel-perfect memories. Whether you're a die-hard fan or just Spectrum curious, get ready to fall in love all over again. We have an exciting treat for you today. Get ready to dive into something truly unique. We've uncovered a memorable and delightfully absurd clip from the 1993 dark comedy classic, Groundhog Day. In this unforgettable moment, we witness Phil Connors, caught in a cycle of endless yesterdays, attempting to break free from his fate in a wildly unconventional way, by hopping into a bathtub with a toaster. It's a striking blend of dark humor and existential intrigue that you won't want to miss. So, let's experience it together. But let's rewire the scene for a more pixelated twist. Now imagine instead of a standard kitchen toaster, Phil grabs a Specky toaster. Yes, that 8-bit legend, the ZX Spectrum 128K computer that loads games via cassette tape and sounds like a modem screaming for help. He cradles it like a lifeline, stepping into the tub. Sparks? Nope. Just a squealing screech of loading code, a flicker of 8-bit dreams, and maybe, just maybe, Phil wakes up, not in Punxsutawney, but inside Manic Miner. In short, if you swap out the toaster for a Specky toaster, the only thing you'll short is your patience as you wait 7 minutes for Jet Set Willy to load, while the water gets cold and your fate stays just as looped. So next time you're tempted to bathe with retro hardware, maybe skip the existential crisis and keep the Toastrack on dry land. Time loops are bad enough without cassette loading errors. Now it's time to watch the main feature. Grab your tea, fire up that CRT glow in your heart, because we're diving into another one of our retro computing restoration projects, and this time, it's a real treat for all you Specky fans out there. Today, we're giving a long overdue spa day to an 8-bit icon, the ZX Spectrum Toastrack, a machine that hasn't had a proper bath since it rolled off the line in 1985. Decades of dust, grime, and history have built up on this legendary micro. But not for long. Join us as we peel back the layers of time, restore this British classic to its former glory, and maybe even fire up a game of Jet Set Willy before we're through. Let the restoration begin.